Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform HardReset through recovery mode on OPPO A5 Pro. So you have to start by powering off your device. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume down button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And now you can use volume buttons to navigate, so move to English and then press power button. And now select format data. And here you have to enter your PIN code. And then click format. Now click OK. And then as you can see, my device is now back to its factory settings and I have to perform phone setup all over again. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.